In this demonstration, you will see how to prepare a source domain controller for cloning, export the source virtual machine, create and start the clone domain controller. Demonstration steps. Prepare a source domain controller for cloning. 1. On LON DC1, open Active Directory Administrative Center. 2. Add the domain controller LON DC1 to the clonable domain controllers group. 3. Verify that the apps and services on LON DC1 support cloning. 4. Create the DCCloneConfig.xml file for cloning LON DC3. 5. Shut down LON DC1. Export the source virtual machine. 1. On the host computer, in Hyper-V Manager, export LON DC1. 2. Restart LON DC1. Create and start the clone domain controller. 1. Import a new virtual machine by using the exported files. 2. Name the new virtual machine 20742B, LON DC3, and then select Copy the virtual machine. Create a new unique ID. 3. In Hyper-V Manager, start LON DC3.